Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Abdul Basit, and today I am here with the part 2 of silent letters in English. In the previous video of silent letters, I discussed the silent letters B, C, E, G, H, and K. These 6 letters were discussed in the previous video, and if you have not watched that video, you can find the link in the description. So today we are going to talk about the remaining silent letters in English. So keep watching. If you want to learn something, please watch the video till the end. So the first letter that we are going to talk about is silent letter L. In English, there are some monosyllabic words that end with LK, LF, and LM that have the silent L. For example, walk, talk, calf, half, palm, and calm. Well, all these words have a silent L. Okay, and then there are 2 other examples like almond and salmon. Okay, so these are the words in which the letter L is silent. The next silent letter is silent letter N. In English, there is only one word that starts with MN. There is only one word in English that starts with this combination MN, and that word is mnemonic. That word is mnemonic. This is an adjective, and the meaning of this word is helping you to remember something. For example, mnemonic device. And there are a few words that end with MN, but in these words the letter N is silent. For example, autumn, column, dam, hymn. So these are the words in which the letter N is silent. So there is only one word that starts with the combination MN, and that is mnemonic. Okay, and there are some words that end with this combination of MN, but in these words the letter N is silent, and you have already seen the examples like autumn, column, dam, hymn. Okay, so these are the examples of those words in which the letter N is silent. The next silent letter is P. In English, all the words that starts with PS have a silent P, like psalm, psalter, psychology, psychic, psychotic, and pseudo. So all these words that start with the combination P and S. So all the words in English that start with the combination of P and S have a silent P. P is not pronounced in all those words in which there is a combination of P and S at the start of the words. There are only 2 words in English that start with PN. There are only 2 words in English that start with the combination of P and N. In these words, the letter P is also silent. And the examples in this regard are pneumonia, pneumatic, pneumonia, and pneumatic. Pneumatic means filled with air. Okay, for example, a pneumatic tire. A pneumatic tire. The following words having PB combination in the middle also have a silent P, like cupboard. It's not cupboard, it's cupboard. And then raspberry. It's not raspberry, it's raspberry. So in these 2 words, P is also silent. Next silent letter is S. There are only two words in English in which the letter S is silent, and those two words are island and isle. Island and isle. Isle, a passage between rows of seats in a church, theater, etc. Okay, so these are two words in which the letter S is silent, but to be honest, I couldn't find any logical reason behind this. If you know about any logical reason behind this, you can tell me in the comments below. In this way, the viewers will also be benefited from your comment. Next silent letter is T. At the end of a few words, the letters T, L, E follow the letter S. In such combinations, the letter T will be silent. For example, castle, hustle, nestle, rustle. The letter T is also silent in the words fasten and listen. Okay. The letter T also becomes silent when it occurs in the trigraph TCH. Well, in this combination TCH, letter T also becomes silent. And the examples are watch, cat, butcher, match, fetch, etc. Also in the words Christmas, often, mortgage, the letter T is silent. The next silent letter is U. The following words having the combination of BUI or GUI have a silent U, like building, guilty, guitar, guild, and guys. In these words, letter U is silent. The words guess and guest also have a silent U. And at the end, we have the words vogue, rogue, and tongue. In these words, the letter U is also silent. The next silent letter that we have is W. Whenever the letter W is followed by the letter R at the beginning of a word, W will be silent. For example, right, wrap, wreck, wreath, wrench, wrist, wrong, etc. So whenever the letter W is followed by the letter R at the beginning of a word, W will be silent. The letter W is also silent in the following words: sword, to, answer, whole, who, etc. So dear students, this was all about today's video. I hope that you have learned something from this. If you like the content, if you like the video, if you have actually learned something, please hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already done yet. So thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.